I am going to use the spoon to dig everything out, okay? Not everything, but mostly these seeds and stuff. You can keep them. You want to. I'm not going to keep them. It's like I am going to keep them for one, but I'm going to keep the seeds and eat them like pumpkin seeds. Oh, and I should tell y'all that I pierced. So I actually pierced them. I used the knife though. Okay, so I am adding some olive oil to each one, and then I am just taking my handy dandy brush here, and I am just going to brush oil all around, making sure that you get the edges, and then you're just going to add some salt. Alright, so then I pop those in the oven at 400 degrees, and they are going to cook for about 40 minutes to an hour. And while that is cooking, I am going to make my sauce. So I am using some mushrooms, some onions, some bell peppers, and then a whole lot of garlic powder, some chili powder, and some basil. And I am just going to go ahead and let this cook down a bit. And I'm going to be adding these fire roasted tomatoes in. You do not have to use fire roasted. You can use whatever tomatoes you want to. Alright, so I added the whole can in, and I'm just going to mix this very well. And then let it simmer for a little bit. Now, this sugar is completely optional, but I am adding brown sugar to my spaghetti sauce, okay? Alright, so I'm going to put my universal top on it and just let that sit while it simmers. Alright, and the squash is done and out, and this is how you get it out. You just use a fork to like kind of peel it and scrape it out. And once you do all that, you can put it on your plate, put your filling on top or your sauce on top, or you can mix it all together in a pan. I like to do mine this way. And I got me a little half a sweet potato over here on the side that I added some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and some butter too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.